Someone who would be a good fit for Bridge Cable and the Bridge Cable team is someone that is really good with communication, someone who can take responsibility for anything, and also someone that goes above and beyond and just doesn't come in, just does what they're told and leaves, and someone that has everybody's back.
You know each other's next move. That's what you want to know. That's what you want to have as a teammate. Somebody who actually knows what your next move is. Whether we start pulling cable, I don't have to tell him what to do next. He already knows that one person is going to be on the back end, one person is going to be on cutting back and labeling and getting ready for the next task.
Someone that's punctual, someone that can learn, and someone that can follow directions.
Someone who's loyal, punctual, someone you can trust. Obviously, there's situations where, things can be dangerous. So you need someone who you can count on, in those situations.
Me being relatively new to this field, I'm looking for someone that's willing to share what they know.
Somebody who can take direction, somebody who is, to be blunt, not lazy. This isn't a job where you can stare at your phone or have your hands in your pockets all day. There's constantly something to do all day. We're moving equipment, we're pulling cable, we're up on ladders. It's constantly moving. It's not a job for people who like to stand around. So you need to have some sort of motivation to work if you're going to be in this field, because again, you're not just going to be standing around. There's too much to do.
A good skill someone would have for Bridge Cable would possibly be some construction experience, so they have a little bit of knowledge of how a building's constructed. It's kind of important when you know how to fish wire through it.
Organizational skills. You have to know what you're doing, and you gotta be organized with paperwork, your prints.
Once again, communication, as well as leadership skills. They don't need to technically have had 100% experience in network cabling, but being able to work with a team and being able to also take initiative.
Even if you don't have experience in this field, being willing to pick up different tips and tricks that your coworkers will show you, applying them, be as organized and as productive as possible. Sometimes you can sit on your hands if you're not paying attention to what's going on.
Definitely punctuality, leadership skills, and again, someone that you can trust. Again, it gets dangerous out there, and to know that someone has your back, when you're on a lift or in some other situation. We're on construction sites, things can be dangerous, so you need to know that your man next to you knows what he's doing and competent.
Somebody who can take direction. You're going to get a lot of different kinds of direction from different people. People learn things their own way, but you need to take the direction and then see what works best for you, and then put it to use in a practical application while we're out there working. One of the biggest things is, if you're a carpenter, you don't know everything about structured cabling yet. So just be willing to learn and have a little initiative. That would be fantastic.